System is running very slow. There is a huge lag in the machine. The performance of your computer is very bad if that's so. In this video, I will tell you one of the most powerful ways to speed up any computer, and that too without installing any third-party application in the machine. That which is the one of the best part. So follow me all the steps with all the patience you have. I'm sure your system will be running like just a brand new machine. So let's get started. The very first thing which we will do is to open the run window. So either you can do a right click here and go to run, or you can simply press window R and this run window will appear. Here type clean mgr. So that's very first step I will tell you. So once you click on OK, this cleanup unity you will come, and if you have something in your recycle bin, copy it somewhere or delete. So currently my system is very clean, that's why I'm having, but in your computer you might have 10 or 15 or maybe 20 GB of junk sitting in your machine. Things which we are deleting here are all the cache temporary files. Whenever we open any application, temporary file cache gets created, which we do not actually create. So it's absolutely okay to delete all these things. Once you select the check mark, click on OK. So now we are cleaning the junk from the machine. So that's a very first simple steps, and most of guys you'll know it. But there are more few steps which we will be following to make the computer absolutely fast. So we are done with this. Now again we will press window R or simply do a right click and run, and here we will type percentage tempo percentage. This is another location of window where all the registers get created. Now all these registers are software related. Whenever you perform any task, these registers, this get created, so it's absolutely okay to delete all this. I will just press Ctrl A and then click on delete shift, and this is the manner I'm getting rid of all this 99. I just cleaned my system 5 days ago, and still I have this because I am heavy user of computer. I do a lot of stuff. So in your case you might have more than this, and your computer will thank you once you delete all the junks unwanted files. Once this is done, we will move to the next step, and that is to open again the run window and type inetcpl.cpl. Okay, so some of you guys also faced slow browser issue, Edge, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox. You might get slow performance. For that, go to the connections and click on LAN settings and check if any proxy is there. Just uncheck it and click on automatic delete settings that need to be done. Once it is done, click on OK, and this time we will go to the advanced, and here we will restore to advanced settings. Then click on reset. Now need to check mark this delete personal setting. Some of cookies may have some corporate, and this will also reset the home page. The browser favorites, the cookies, accessories, temporary files will get deleted. So if you have some important file or bookmarks, you can simply export it, or else I would recommend to just reset it. Now, again, when you turn on the machine, the startup time is very high. So, how to fix it? It's because of you must have many applications running at the startup, which is a big problem. So, to fix that, we will go to Start menu and just do a right click, and then go to Task Manager. Once the Task Manager is opened, we will go to Startup. Now, here in the Startup, make sure all unwanted unknown applications except Microsoft or the applications which you use very often. Every time whenever you open, because whenever the startup applications we have If I disable them, I still can open them. It will not open automatically without my permission. But I have disabled it. So when I turn on the machine, I manually open them. I just don't want those applications to open. So here just click on it. Either you can do a right click and click on disable whenever the applications unwanted applications you have, and make sure you do not disable any graphics or security or any third-party applications which you have installed, which requires to run the machine, mostly the Windows and like hip tilt services. Make sure you don't delete or disable it. Once you disable all of them, just close it, and here in the process tab, as we'll check what our applications are running currently, close that. Sometimes when you open too many applications, the CPU uses get very high. So you can always come to the task manager, and from the apps you can simply click on that and end the task. How we can do that like. So once you restart the machine, your system gonna work definitely faster than earlier. Please hit the like button and subscribe this, and please share this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.